In this video, we will show two different possibilities to interact with a WEM: scaling, rotating and moving a WEM in a scene, as well as interactively deforming a 3D object via mouse interactions. Add ASO Cube, ASO Background and ASO Coordinate System module to the workspace and connect them to ASO Examiner Viewer module. Change the User Transform mode to User Transform instead of Input and set User Scale to 2 for X, Y and Z for the coordinate system. The viewer now shows the cube in the center of the world coordinate system. We now want to use handles to scale, rotate and move the cube in the viewer via mouse interactions. Add ASO Transformer Dragger and ASO Transform module to your workspace. Connect them to ASO Separator module. Also connect the background and the cube to the separator. Draw parameter connections from translation, scale factor and rotation of the ASO Transformer Dragger to the same fields of the ASO Transform module. Opening the viewer, you can still rotate the camera. Changing to pick mode, you are now able to use the visible handles to rotate, scale and move the cube. In the next example, you will learn how to interactively deform a WEM. This time, we need a WEM Initialize module and ASO WEM Renderer. Connect them to ASO Examiner Viewer module and again, add a background, select Model Icosahedron. The object is visible in the viewer and you can rotate the camera. Add a WEM Bulge Editor and ASO WEM Bulge Editor to your network and connect them as seen in the video. Opening the viewer, you can still not edit the object. The Bulge Editor needs a lookup table, LUT, to deform the WEM. Add a WEM Generate Statistics module. It generates node, edge, and face statistics of a WEM and stores the information in the WEM's primitive value lists, PVL. Check New Node PVL and set new PVL name to My PVL. Select the PVL to be used as LUT values in WEM Bulge Editor. Add ASO LUT Editor to the ASO WEM Renderer and set color mode to LUT values. Again, select the PVL. Open the panel of the ASO LUT Editor module, set range -1 to 1 and define a lookup table as seen in the video. If you change to pick mode now, you can deform your 3D object by using the mouse. The radius of the deformation can be changed via Alt key and mouse wheel. A much more complex example using medical images and allowing to modify in 3D and on 2D slices can be seen by opening the example network of the WEM Bulge Editor. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.